Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my correct person, depending on the time when you take see this video. This is my famous blog. I will bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotion for Saturday, maybe the 25th day of January 2025. Our topic for today, Open Heavens Daily Devotion, are now evil for inside fire. Evil for inside fire. Our Bible reading for today, they come from the book of Daniel chapter 3, from verse 9 to reach 25. They go tell King Nebuchadnezzar, say, O king, may you live forever. Now you make decree, say, anybody will hear the sound of the horn, the pipe, the lyre, the trigon, the harp, the dulcimer, the pipe bag, and all the different kind of music, may they fall down and worship the golden image where you put for them. And anybody will not fall down to worship the image, to throw her for inside fire. E get some certain Jews wey you don appoint as administrator over the province of Babylon. Their name na Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. These men, O king, dey no even pay at ten tion to wetin you talk. Dey no gree serve or worship your golden image wey you don set up. Dis thing come vex Nebuchadnezzar, e come say make dem bring Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego come meet am. Nebuchadnezzar come tell dem say, na true say una no wan serve or worship my gods or golden image wey I don set up. Now if you don ready, when you hear any kind of music, just fall down make you worship the image wey I don make. But if you no worship am, dem go throw una at once put for inside that furnace of fire wey dey hot, and make I see the God wey go fit deliver una out of my hands. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego go tell am say, Nebuchadnezzar, on top dis matter kakaka, we no go answer you. Na wetin you wan do, no wahala. Our God wey we dey serve go fit save us from dis your fire, and He go rescue us from your hand. But just in case He no come, we no go still serve your golden image. Nebuchadnezzar come vex, Him face come change towards Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He come give command say make dem hot the fire 7 times. Come command strong men make dem throw dem enter the fire. The men come tie dem up with all their clothes, their turban, everything wey dem wear, throw dem inside fire. The king command, e too come urgent, and the furnace dey very very hot. The flame of fire come poof the men wey throway Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego for inside. But these 3 men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, as they fall inside the midst of the fire, they still tie their hands. And then Nebuchadnezzar the king come look, he come surprise, say, sure? No be 3 people will throw inside the fire. They come tell them say, yes na. He come say, but look now, na 4 people wey dem no even tie. Then they waka inside the midst of the fire, and e be like say the thing no dey even dey touch them. And this 4th one so, e be like son of God. Our memory verse for today, they come from the book of Job chapter 13, verse 15. Wey talk say, even if dey slay me, I go still put my hope for inside am. I go surely defend my ways to Him face. Make we enter today's message, but this na a very good time for you to hit the subscribe button. Abeg subscribe, like the video, share am, and drop wetin you think concerning today's topic for the comment section. Some time ago, for one of our parishes of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, e get one woman wey dey sack am for where she for dey work. No be say she do anything. E no too tey she dey travel, armed robber stop am, come thief her motor. E no too tey again, as she dey try to cook, her kitchen catch fire. All dis thing happen inside 1 week. And to make the matter sweet, the following Sunday na Thanksgiving Sunday. The woman dance well well pass everybody. Everybody come dey look am say, sure, dis woman no even suppose to be dance at all based on the things wey don happen to her. She come tell dem say, I lost my job but I no lose my salvation. Dem thief my motor but dem no thief my life. My kitchen catch fire but I no dey go hell. Everything wey the devil don try, I still dey here. Dis na the testimony of somebody wey get close relationship with God before challenges come, and e no dey ever dey let those kind people down. Jeremiah 17 from verse 7 to 8. If anybody tell you say as Christian you no go face any challenge, that person no dey tell you this truth o. Challenges go come, but your response to those challenges go dey determined by how much you love God. If the challenges push you comot for God side, then your love for God small. Some people dey confess, I love God. Dem dey sing say dem go always follow am whether storm dey o, whether fire come. However, once challenges show face like this, dem don forget their confession, dem don turn away from God or japa. If to tell truth about a situation for where you for dey work go cost you your job, you go like to save that job, or you go tell the truth and bear the consequence? Wait, you fit dey claim now say you go always tell the truth, but wetin go really determine wetin you go do for this situation na the way you take love God now. Your love for am, you must build am from today if you wan stand in the face of challenges. For inside Daniel chapter 3, when we read as our Bible verse, you see the three Hebrew boys. Dem dey confronted with the two options. They either bow to the idol or to throw dem inside fire. Omo, dem choose fire o, and that one show say dem really love God. That love no start from that day when the king give the command for them to bow. Dem don dey cultivate the love for a long time before that particular day come. My beloved, you must build your love for Christ now. Study your Bible well well. Pray without ceasing. May you continue to dey fellowship with other Christians so that when the day of wahala go come, your love for God go keep you standing. Wetin we go need to reflect on today be say, you fit really talk now so as I dey answer this question, you fit really talk now say you love God with all your heart. And here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say the topic wey we consider today na even for inside fire. And this message we'll take am from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional book. Open Heavens Daily Devotional book. Na book wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, right? And on top your favors blog, I will take bring you this message. So we'll come your way again with another exciting video. May you not forget, say, wahala dey always dey for this life, but wetin go keep you standing na how much you love God. Make it better for you, my person.